Oh, well, I'm halfway ready here with lime green, of course, and it's mayhem back here in the dressing room. We've got all the latest fashions for making them all. There's enough hairspray back here I can hardly talk. I hope it doesn't clog up your camera, Liz. A lot of egos, too.
I'm just a little more worried about what's reflecting in your glasses right now. Make sure that, okay, thank you. The ladies might appreciate that.
I know, you may see some underwear or something else, but we're back here, everybody's friends. Anyhow, it is so cool that everybody's getting made up, and of course it's a Japanese spring theme, so we've got some really dramatic makeup. I've got to ride a motorcycle onto the stage. That's the only thing I'm a little jittery about.
Do you have insurance?
I hope so, because if I don't mind riding it, but I've got to stop it before I go off the other end of the stage. So Liz, I want you to be there in case I do an Evel Knievel. I want you to get a capture on people. Okay. This tie was handmade by Edwina Barnes back in the 80s. Isn't that the cutest thing? Seersucker, lime green, blue, shorts. I also have my legs spray tan, which is something I've never done before.
Spray it on.
We're going to talk about that, and then I'm going to wear a jacket with this, so we're going to show how to pair, that's the coolest thing lately, where it's a sports jacket with shorts. Not that anybody make them would, but
it's not just for Frank Malloy anymore.
No, that's right. Not just for the anchors where you can't see their legs. Got my legs spray tan. Have y'all ever done the spray tan? You got to try. And my feet have continued to get brown during the night, so I am turning into black at the bottom and working my way up.
There's nothing like being tan all over.
Well, there's nothing. How do you know I'm not? Don't go anywhere. There's nothing like standing in front of a curtain like this while they're spray painting you. So I'm gonna do a segment on my show. Don't y'all think that would be worth seeing? Is that a two-piece jean? And she didn't even get sprayed. Lacey's actually walking for Chris. The year I took Lacey down, she decided she was going to take a little nap halfway down the aisle. And you are glittering from head to toe in pink and a little pink fur. Did you love that? Did that come from one of the poodles, or that was just a regular? Did Lacey give any fur up for that? At this school, I got in trouble by talking. Still getting in trouble.